In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from Chatgpt to Claude. This quick workflow is perfect when you've generated useful content in Chatgpt and want Claude to build on it. For example, turning notes into a clean presentation. I'll walk you through it clearly and share a few tips so everything transfers smoothly. First, head to chatgpt.com and open the conversation that contains the content you want to move. Make sure you're looking at the exact message or result you want Claude to use. Before you copy anything, do a fast scan for anything personal or sensitive. If you see details you don't want to carry over, edit them out in ChatGPT first so you're only copying the safe, relevant text you actually need. Next, copy the result. Click and drag to highlight the full response you want, then copy it using your usual method. Keyboard shortcuts work great here. If the response includes headings, lists, or code blocks, that's fine. Just make sure your selection includes everything you want Claude to read. If there are parts you don't need, trim your selection so you keep the content tidy and focused. Now, go to Claude I New. On the page, click the plus sign to start a fresh chat. Starting a new chat keeps Claude's context clean, which helps it focus entirely on the content you're about to paste. You should see a message box ready for your input. In the message box, paste the content you copied from ChatGPT. Directly after the pasted text, type the instruction. Expand this into a presentation. Putting your instruction together with the pasted content helps Claude understand exactly what to do with the material you've provided. If your text is long, consider adding a brief line break between the pasted content and the instruction for readability, but keep it in the same message so everything submits together. Finally, click Submit or press Enter. Claude will process the pasted material and generate a structured presentation based on it. Give it a moment if your content is lengthy. When the output appears, you'll see your original ideas organized into clear sections, typically with logical flow and suggested talking points. That's it, the transfer is complete, and your content has been elevated into a presentation-ready format. A quick closing tip: if something looks off, it usually means the pasted text included extra fragments or formatting that confuse the structure. In that case, refine the text in ChatGPT, recopy, and paste again with the same instruction. Thanks for watching and enjoy streamlining your workflow from ChatGPT to Claude.